Make a great choice today with the 2019 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD, remote trunk release, LED headlights. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.